Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Exam Master Academy. So in this video, I am going to tell you a model question paper for entrepreneurship and startups become third semester. It's also comes from BBA and MBA students. This is related to all universities like Dharwad University, Karnataka State Universities and many more things. This is totally 3 hours question paper and 18 markers questions. And now we are discuss. Let's start part A. This is for 2 markers. Answer all question paper, all questions. First one question: define entrepreneurship. Second one: who is an entrepreneur? Third one: state any two functions of an entrepreneur. Fourth question: what is Schumacher's innovation theory? Fifth one: what is need for achievement theory? Sixth one: expand EDP. Seventh one: what is Mudra loan? Eighth question: define startup. Ninth question: what is an angel investor? 10th question: what is a unicorn startup? Let's see part B. Answer any three questions here. This is for 5 markers question. Let's see question number 11. Explain the economic significance of entrepreneurship. 12th one. Discuss McClelland's theory of higher achievement. 13th question. Explain the objectives and importance of entrepreneurship development programs. 14th question. Describe the stages of startup. 15th question. Explain the concept of animal metaphors in startups. Let's see part C for 15 markers questions. First one, 16th question. Explain the concept of entrepreneurship and discuss its rules in the economic development. 17th question. Discuss in detail the various theories of entrepreneurship. 18th question. Explain entrepreneurship development programs in India and the role of government institutions. 19th question. What is a startup? Explain the startup life cycle and challenges faced at each stage. Let's see 20th question. Explain the concept of unicorn startups. Discuss the growth of unicorns in India with examples. This is a model question paper. If you would like to like this, then like on video, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanking you.